running, not doing funky flips. Great job. I don't even see anybody with a hood on. Let me see if anybody has a hood or a hat on. Good job, children. Awesome. We are looking for the trophy. Who has the trophy in their class? Miss Rice, we need the trophy. Oh, Miss Callie's going to go get it.
This is Mackenzie and Louise. We'd like for you to join us in the American flag salute. Ready, begin.
Good morning. Let me see. Please join me in the Oklahoma flag salute. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. Good morning. My name is Asher. Please join me in the Trout School Creed. Who are we? We are Trout Wildcats. Who are we? We are leaders. We are friends. We are helpful. We are creative. We are disciplined. What do we do? We always aim high. We always show compassion. We always do our best. We are a team. We are winners. We are Trout Wildcats. Please be seated. Please join me in a moment of silence.
All right, thank you so much, Miss Holder's class. Give them a round of applause. All righty, for lunch, Fiesta Pizza or breaded fish wedge. That sounds pretty good. But guys, you wouldn't believe how many birthdays we have. All right, okay, today is March 28th. Listen to this. We have Aubrey Unruh's birthday, Aiden Little Voice's birthdays today, and then on Sunday, wait till you hear all of these, Amelia Graham, Colson Morgan, and Emerson Tiger. Come on up, my loves, let's celebrate you. Here they come. All right, choose a pencil here. Good job, guys. Oh, this one. It has a ready race. All right, you guys ready? Happy birthday. We wish it was our birthday so we can party too. Happy birthday. All right. We have to celebrate something. I forgot to tell you something so cool. Mr. Walters, raise your hand. Guys, look at Mr. Walters. Do you know what? He has been going to college in addition to teaching all day, and he has passed his principal test. Some certificates to give out, but I'm going to ask Miss Smith to head up this way. All righty. Miss Everly Longoria from Miss Chambers has met her fourth quarter AR goal. Come on, Everly. AR is so important. Oh my goodness, and Miss Butler, 200 bucks. All right, from Miss Taylor's class, Hannah Green met her AR goal. I see someone has a Wildcat shirt on. Dallas Bales and Miss Bailey has met his AR goal. Is he here yet? I haven't seen him yet. Okay, and the last one I have to announce before Miss Smith does her big award. Marcus Adcock, fourth quarter AR goal. Miss Taylor, is Marcus there? All right, let's give them one round of applause and you guys can head back to your seats. All righty, Miss Smith. I'm gonna let Miss Smith tell you what she's about to give out and then I'll hand out the candy.
We have looked at the third quarter AR points and found the top 2 earners in every class, and you are going to get an award. Some classes actually had some ties, so there might be 3 in some classes. Starting with Mrs. Minson's class with 45.4 points, Hunter. Period. With 43.1 points, we have Cora. In Mrs. Rice's class with 51.8 points, Jace. And with 181.6 points, Brinley. 181.6 in 1 quarter. In Miss Bailey's class with 35.8 points, Brantley. And with 104.4 points, Michaela. In Miss Myatt's class with 55.9 points, Riley. And with 74.1 points, Kaylin. She was already getting up, she knew. In Mr. Walter's class with 81.6 points, Zariah. And with 34.9 points, Blake. In Miss Day's class with 53.2 points, Shane. And 46.8 points, Hadley. In Miss Chambers' class with 43.7 points, we have Seamus. 43 points in 2nd grade. And with 39.1 points, Braylon. From Miss Taylor's class, we had a 3-way tie, or we had 3 that were really close, so we think we have all 3. With 25.1 points, we have Maddie. And with 25.3 points, we have Addie. And with 25.8 points, we have Johnny. All right, so I'm kind of excited that we also have awards for 1st grade because they have been working really hard on their AR goals. In Miss Pratt's class, I think we had a 3-way tie. With 5.2 points, we have Elizabeth. And with 5.2 points, we also have Nevaeh. And with 5.2 points, Kyla Gracie. In Miss Duffy's class with 11.3 points, Aria Martinez. And with 8.8 points, Maria.
Mr. Dallas, here's yours. Good job, Dallas. Alrighty, find your spots, class. Good job. Boys and girls, it's Friday. Make it an incredible day, and we'll see you at lunch. Oh wait, the trophy. All right, teachers, count your kids wearing their Wildcat gear. Wildcat gear divided by the number of total students that should be here every morning. All right, remember our Native American church count because they are a part of the Wildcat Band. I see Miss Rice has on some Wildcat wear. Good job, Miss Rice. So does Miss Vincent and Miss Taylor. Teachers, are we ready? Boys and girls, please stand. Watch your teachers because they're going to tell you when it's time to sit down. If your class has 5% or more, stay standing. 10% or more. 15. Okay, 15. If your class has 20% or more of your class wearing shirts, wow, this side of the room is like, whoop. If your class has, let's go to 30% or more. Okay, we're looking at 1 5th grade and 1 1st. Let's go to 35% or more. Miss Rice! 41%. Great job. All right. Now, watch your teachers for dismissal and have a fantastic day.